Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm Trip,
I'm Ash.
and today we're in Swingarmcity, Utah, and we pretty much have the place to ourselves, or from what we can see anyway. And the reason we're here is because tomorrow we're going to rent some ATVs to have a little fun out here. We're going to rent a Polaris RZR 1000, so that should be fun. It's windy. But until then, we're just gonna camp out, make a fire, relax.
Have the best time yesterday or tomorrow.
Hey, look what we got. They just dropped off the RZR. Like I said earlier, it's a Polaris RZR 1000cc, I believe. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. You know, we can get up and go pretty good, which should be a blast out here. We have it rented for 5 hours, so it should be plenty of time to have a lot of fun. And we rented it from the guys at
Hanksville Tours Motorsport Rentals. And Drew dropped it off for us this morning, so shout out to him.
So that's pretty awesome. They have pretty good prices considering some of the other ATV rentals we looked at in the area. This is definitely a lot more affordable to do, and I think it'll be worth it. So, wanna go driving?
Yes, I'm so ready. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, we're taking a break from riding and actually trying to kill us. We need a little snack break before we can go back out, have some more fun.
Changing over in the moonlight, I can't kill this feeling sober, so I start to come alive. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills me. We're so backed against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see. Wait for me. I don't have time inside my reality. Wait for me. I don't want your mind to remember that we're getting closer to a brand new night. The past is finally getting over. I really think it's time to say goodbye. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills then you'll see. Wait for me. I wanna die inside my reality. Wait for me.
Unfortunately, all 5 hours is up. We gotta drop it off. But we had so much fun. Did you have fun?
I had a blast.
We did all the things, all the jumps, all the whoops, all the donuts. Tired?
Just a lot of exhilaration today.
So what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was doing the little horseshoe on the dunes and then doing some jumps. That was my favorite. And going exploring in the really, really tight dunes where the dirt bikes were. That was awesome.
I think one of my favorite things was that little, kind of laid out a little course where I had a few jumps and did a few little half moons, I guess.
Yeah.
And while we're doing that, the guy in the drone came, and he just came out of nowhere. I was about to swap seats, and there's a drone like right there hovering. So I got to do some driving for him. And he got to follow me. I thought he was gonna hit me a few times, but he didn't. But that was really cool, a lot of fun. Hopefully I get to see that footage sometime.
Yeah, apparently it's going to be featured in a Hanksville tourism commercial. So awesome for us. The dude's friend bailed out and said he needed somebody. So cool.
We gotta keep an eye out for that. But like I said, we gotta turn this back in and head to our next adventure. So I hope you enjoyed this. We sure as hell did. If you're in Utah and you want to do some ATVing, this is definitely a good option. It's for what it is. It's affordable, and you're so free out here. You can pretty much go anywhere, as eyes can see. It's this big playground. And also, if you watch Kim Block, he's done videos here going up that big swoop back there. So it's cool to say that we've got to ride some of the same places he did. But now we get to trade the ATV for this bad boy. Yeah.
This bad boy can go over so many sand dunes.
And rocks. Yeah, actually, it has done half bad. I mean, it's able to drive through all this, go through some sand. You know, be surprised what that thing can drive through. But I'll stop boring you, and hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, see ya, peace.